busy working woman. But she wants to plant some herbs indoor. But she always forgets to water her plant.
So we gave her Spouty.
Spouty is a smart garden that have an outdoor watering system. She can also check the percentage of the soil moisture and the water level. She can also use colored LED to help the plant's growth. But how do we make Spouty? For this project, we use a few components to make it work. They are ESP32, water level sensor, soil moisture sensor, and water pump. We also connect the whole system on an application called Blink to monitor the level of the water in the water tank, the soil moisture level, and switching the colors of the LED lamp. After that, we assemble the system and upload the code into ESP32, connected to Wi-Fi and Blink app. We can now control Spouty using connected phone. Now, when the water in the water tank is low, Lily can get notification through her phone.